All right, let me get it.
Okay, let me go. Are we ready for this shit?
What's up? What's going on, party people? It's your boy Jay weighing in at 199.8 pounds. We still keeping it under 200, just barely, but as you can see, this has still been our best month ever. We're gonna kind of regroup a little bit. I talk about it a little bit later in the video, mindset, all that. I'm still proud of where I am, but let's go through the day and let's talk about some things. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jay. I slept a little bit better last night. Just been so tired lately. Again, I think it's just all of the stress. Ah, shit. Okay, I'll make it quick. So yesterday we had pretty much just a rest day, completely, and today we're gonna get moving. I wanted to go for a long walk outside, but it's pretty shitty outside, so we're gonna do just a full body weight exercise workout, just to get the body back into things. Just some push-ups, some pull-ups, some body weight squats and lunges, just stuff like that. Get the whole body just moving, stretch things out again, get the body geared up, and then start hitting some hard workouts tomorrow again. We'll just keep it super clean. And then, we'll push for the last 2 weeks to try to get as close to that 190 pounds as possible. It's been a good month for the most part, considering all things, so I'm feeling pretty good. We're still progressing closer to the goal, and that's what matters. I know y'all already would have seen what I weighed in today, but I am curious to see what I weigh in. So, I'm gonna go get my butt moving, and then we'll weigh in. All right, I hope y'all are having a good weekend. More love, more success. I didn't want to work out today, and I'm not pushing it super hard or anything, but just goes to show you, man, moving around is just so good for your mind. Just got on the treadmill for about 20 minutes. Did a bunch of stretching, just hitting a couple pull-ups, some push-ups, some lunges. And then I got the sauna heating up. And that's all we'll do, just a couple sets of body weight stuff, some more stretching. Maybe another 20 minutes on the treadmill. Keep it simple today. All right, hope you're having a good day. Mentally, physically, and spiritually. More love, more success. All right, so I just weighed in. And I just kind of goal set it for the week. It was we had a couple of weeks where we kind of took our foot off the pedal for a little bit, and then for the last week and a bit, I've kind of been dialed in, and that's been reflected in the weight. I've been staying at that kind of like 199, 198 range, which has been pretty good to see, even though I haven't been sleeping as well and my workouts haven't been as intense, but my eating's been there. So I'm excited to kind of get back on track. My mom's feeling better finally. And, so I just sat in the sauna for a little bit, walked for a little bit, did some body weight exercises, 2 or 3 sets of push-ups to failure, 2 or 3 sets of pull-ups to failure. I did some lunges, some single arm cleans with a kettlebell into a squat, shoulder press. I did some planking with some shoulder taps. All of this to kind of just hit some sit-ups, some leg raises, just to get the body moving and grooving again, especially after I have a day where I don't do anything. I don't like to just jump back into hardcore, especially because I was so beat up. It wasn't like I was just taking a day off. I was feeling exhausted. So instead of jumping right back into a hard workout, we moved. We got sweaty. We brought exercises to failure, and everything. But we just weren't pushing as intensely. We did a bunch of stretching, and then got into the sauna. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do, because my goal, sorry for that shine like that. Oh my goodness. So what I think I'm going to do tonight is make sure that I get some. Ooh, am I still good? Yeah, we're still good. I hope it's not upside down. I think this is the right way. Well, we'll see. So I'm gonna eat. Some carbs today, because I think it's gonna also just help. I finally got some decent sleep. I just kind of been in a wonky space lately. It happens, you know. But I just goal setted, meditated, and I'm feeling focused. You know, we're gonna be touching. The goal is to get down to that 195 pounds this week, and I think I'll be able to do that. I think I'll hit that relatively soon with a couple good workouts, and then you know, we'll try to get as close to 190 before the end of the month. So, you know, regardless, we've done pretty good this month. The you know, if we continue on, you know, I'm sure by the end of the month I'll be close to that 195 regardless. But I'd like to be a little bit further along than that. You know, but we haven't put on a bunch of weight, even though life's been stressful and everything. But you know, I maybe not have been as productive as, but I can't beat myself up for it. It's life circumstances, you know, and it kicks your ass, and it's hard to stay on course. But that's okay. We keep moving forward. We keep putting in the work, and you know, we're doing our best out here, which I think is cool. So you know, we still got like 150 days to go to hit this goal. So I'm feeling pretty confident. I still am feeling very, very confident that I'm going to hit this goal. So yeah, you know, there's just little setbacks. You know, it's just like yesterday and even this morning, it was my own mentality that was kicking my ass, and you know, I hate that. I know we all hate that when we get in our own heads, and so, you know, at least I know I usually get like that, A, when I'm overly stressed out, or B, when I'm exhausted. And so it was good of me to take, you know, yesterday off, and even today to kind of chill. I feel better. I feel better mentally, emotionally, you know, um, on top of physically. On top of physically. So I'm excited to hit the week running, and yeah, you know. So tonight we'll introduce a little bit of carbs. My mama even got me. I'm gonna treat myself to maybe half of this Lindor chocolate bar, too, as a little treat. Um, and yeah, I think it'll give me a little bit of fuel um, going into tomorrow's workout. All right, man. Yeah, and for all of y'all who are still been sticking with me, man, I really appreciate y'all. You know, YouTube sending me my first little payment this week, so that's pretty cool. Um, you know, this channel wasn't monetized when I started this journey, and now it is. It's only $100, but it will go towards buying me some groceries at least, you know. So that's cool. So thank y'all, everyone, so much for pressing play, or, you know, donating to the channel, buying the vinyls, all that good stuff really, really pays off. So thank y'all. All right, I'm gonna go hydrate a little bit more, and then the next thing you will see is my one meal. So yeah, it's gonna have a little bit more carbs in it than usual, but we're aiming for that tonight. Okay, more love, more success.
All right, I'm not gonna weigh this out tonight because, again, I'm still kind of just chilling. We got some roast beef here, super lean, super high in protein, some potatoes, some gravy. I'm gonna have probably about 2 bowls of this, a little bit of that asparagus, and then a little bit of that bar of chocolate. Easily 100 plus calories, or 100 plus grams of protein, and I would say probably 15 to 1600 calories with that chocolate bar, maybe 1900 calories. But yeah, I'm not weighing it out today. I'm just gonna crush this 2 big bowls. Yeah, we'll get back to the hardcore stuff tomorrow. All right, more love, more success.